the future of electric driving. That's exactly what happens when you meet the 2026 Audi e-tron. This all-electric SUV from Audi isn't just another EV. It's a statement of what premium electric mobility feels like when it's crafted with precision, performance, and pure German engineering. The moment you look at it, the e-tron commands attention. Its exterior has been refined for 2026 with sharper LED digital matrix headlights, a redesigned single-frame grille with a closed pattern that signals its electric nature, and aerodynamic lines that flow like a single brushstroke. Even the door handles sit flush with the body, and the active air vents near the wheels subtly open and close to reduce drag. The result is not only elegance, but also efficiency. Every line has a purpose. Underneath that sleek body lies a dual motor setup that provides Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive. Instant torque means the e-tron launches with quiet confidence, going from 0 to 100 kmph in around 5 seconds, depending on the trim. Power delivery is seamless, and the adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts for comfort or sportiness based on your driving style. You feel planted and secure, whether you're gliding down a highway or cornering through mountain roads. And with the new 2026 battery pack offering up to 450 kilometers of range on a single charge, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Fast charging capability allows you to recover 80% battery in about 25 minutes at a high-speed DC charger. Perfect for those who live life on the go. Step inside, and you're greeted by one of the most futuristic cabins in the EV world. The interior feels like a digital cockpit from a sci-fi film. Minimalistic, yet luxurious. The driver gets a fully digital Audi Virtual Cockpit, and the dual MMI touchscreens in the center console respond with haptic feedback, making every tap satisfying. The use of high-quality materials, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable microfibers showcases Audi's commitment to both luxury and environmental responsibility. Ambient lighting flows through the cabin, customizable to your mood, while the panoramic glass roof floods the interior with light. What sets the 2026 e-tron apart is how it blends cutting-edge technology with genuine driving pleasure. It features intelligent regenerative braking that learns your driving behavior, smart navigation that plans your route with charging stops in mind, and over-the-air software updates that keep your car improving long after you buy it. The e-tron's advanced driver assistance systems, like adaptive cruise assist, lane departure warning, and 360-degree cameras, ensure you're surrounded by intelligence and safety on every drive. Even the sound experience has been carefully designed, from the near-silent electric hum on the road to the immersive 3D sound system by Bang & Olufsen that turns every journey into a concert. You can also manage nearly everything through voice control or your smartphone using the My Audi app, giving you remote access to climate settings, charge status, and even route planning. In essence, the 2026 Audi e-tron isn't just about moving from point A to B. It's about how it makes you feel in between. It's comfort without compromise, luxury without guilt, and performance without pollution. It's the evolution of Audi's DNA, silent, swift, and stunningly sophisticated. Whether you're a longtime Audi enthusiast or someone making the switch to electric for the first time, the e-tron redefines what it means to drive an EV, and more importantly, what it means to enjoy one.